Hey guys, what is up? It's TechyWiki back with another Discord.py tutorial, and in this episode we're going to be changing the status of our bot. So what you want to do, await client dot change underscore presence, and then brackets activity equals discord.activity, and then type equals discord.activity type dot watching, and then name equals dot help. There we go. Okay, bot is online, and then it says the bot is watching dot help. But if we want to say like how many, oh no, if you want to say like how many users or how many like servers it's in, then we do like, so what you want to do, you want to remove the string, go behind the parentheses, str, because it's a string, so we need to define it as a string, len, and then another client dot guilds, and then we add one watching servers, and then do that. And then another one, so we do str len set client dot get underscore all underscore members, and then another string users type dot help for commands. Can save that. Wait, line 17. Think it's just some. That's really odd. Oh, I see. Because it was inside of that. I need to add another one there. Okay, this should work. Oh my god. Method method object is not iterable. Line 8 on Reddit. That's really weird. Because this is what I have for my other bot. And it works. Okay, so yeah, watching one server and 3 users because it's the only server it's in. Yeah, and that's it. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you next time.